I fix other people's emergencies every day, but I never fixed my own financial future. The real leak wasn't equipment, it was taxes. They took more from me each year than any repair ever did. Learning how to protect my money tax-free changed everything. For the first time, my future actually feels stable.
I make other people look their best every day. But I never stopped to fix my own financial future. For years, I put every dollar back into the salon, but taxes and uncertainty kept taking more than I realized. Learning how to protect my money tax-free gave me real peace of mind. For the first time, I feel like my future is actually mine.
I build homes for other families every day, but I never built a real financial plan for my own. For years, I thought hard work was enough, but taxes and uncertainty kept taking more from me than I ever expected. Once I learned how to protect my money tax-free, everything changed now. I finally feel like I'm building something for myself too.
I guide people through their financial decisions every day, but for a long time, I didn't take the time to build my own long-term plan. I always focus on what's best for my clients, but I realized I wasn't applying the same strategy to my own financial life. Now I finally have a structure I trust, and it feels good knowing I'm protected the same way I protect others. I help families find the right home every day, but I hadn't built a strong financial foundation for myself. The market kept changing, and I realized my money wasn't growing with the same stability I give my clients. Now I finally have a plan that builds long-term security, just like the homes I help people invest in.